Hey there, and welcome to my very messy art lab. As you can see, things are in a bit of chaos at the moment, and today's video is just going to be vlog number 3, where I go over current projects I'm working on and some of my plans for this weekend on what I'm going to be doing in the art lab. So one of the things I wanted to do in this vlog was just to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. So I've just hit the 1,000 mark, which I'm so excited about. It's taken probably a good year to hit that mark. I still can't monetize yet because I don't have the watch hours. So one of the things you could do to help me out is go and watch a couple of my videos right the way through. That all helps with the watch hours. I need to get to 3,000 watch hours for the sort of first accomplishment, or to get that first little bit of monetization. I'm probably 200 hours away from that, so it's not too far. And then the main one where you do get monetized, I need to hit 4,000 hours. I've got those 1,200 odd hours that people need to watch, and that's probably quite a while away because I'm only hitting about 300 watch hours per month at the moment. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Andy and I create resin artwork. If that's something that interests you, then hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you get reminded when videos like this come out. So one of the bits of artwork I'm working on is where I'm combining some 3D printing with resin, and so I'm just creating this coaster. I've only just poured that, so I've got to wait for that to cure, and we'll see how that comes out. So keep an eye out for next week's video, which will feature me making this coaster. So talking about future projects, one of the things that I am wanting to do is get some of these artworks ready for sale. So this one here, I have a number of resin drips to clean up. So this weekend I'll be giving this a bit of sand, giving that a clean up. So my previous artworks, I haven't really tried to selling them to date, but I really need to get them ready for sale. So that includes things like putting little hangers on these artworks so that they can go onto the wall if someone does buy them. And it's quite a big step for me. I've been creating things with resin, but I haven't actually had them up for sale. So it's a bit of a challenge. I'm not sure if I should be creating a website to sell them, or if I just go on to our local marketplace and try to list them and sell them that way. One thing that is really hitting though is that cost of living. I'm just about out of resin, so I need to probably sell a few of these to actually then have some money to go and buy some of the resin. Otherwise it's just a big hole that the money seems to go down and nothing comes out of it. I do this for fun and as a hobby, but it would be great to sell some of my artwork as well. I'm sure other artists, or if you're in the same boat of looking at starting a resin hobby or a resin business, what's that next step for you in being able to actually sell some of the artwork that you create. So if you're looking to help me out and watch some of the videos, then I do have this one here, which is I'm really proud of this one. This is my burnt resin video. If you could go and have a look at that one, it's only got about 86 views at the moment, so it'd be great to get those view numbers up. And this is one where I carved the wood first of all, then I burnt it, and then I put resin over it after that. And it probably doesn't show it in the video, but this actually looks pretty fantastic in real life, and it's a bit of a pity you don't sort of see that as well in the video. So also on the agenda this weekend is really I need to clear up this mess. If you can see, I've sort of used bits and pieces and I haven't really put them away, so I need to be really working on giving this a big tidy up. So that's one of my tasks, bit of spring cleaning to make sure things are nice and tidy for future projects. And so that's a bit of a brief vlog number 3 for me. I was trying to do a vlog once every month just to give a bit of an update on what I'm up to. So I guess the key takeaway is still making resin projects. I'm just about out of resin, so I need to work out and buy some more of that. And ideally I'd like to sell some of my art, so I just need to prep this weekend some of these artworks so that they're all ready to be sold, so they can just go and straight to be hung on someone's wall if they did buy it. So once again, thank you very, very much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you and the support I get. Feel free to put comments down below. I answer every comment that people put. So that's definitely one of the things I want to keep going through this YouTube video. Make a comment and I will respond to it. So thanks again, and we'll catch you in the next one. In the meantime, keep creating.